those tweeters, guys. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yeah. Very clear. Awesome. Welcome back to Cruiseman's Adventures, guys. Next is the snare. Very clear. Yep, pretty clear. Next is the bass. Let's hit that foot bass. Yep. Pretty good. Not too bad. Awesome stuff. So yeah, guys, I've been working on these for a little while, and man, they sound excellent. They sound really good. This is part 2 of the rebuild of these speakers. Man, they sound really good. So yeah, pretty good. It took me a while, guys. It took me a while to build them, but that's them there, and they sound amazing. I'm pretty impressed with them. I can't play music through them, otherwise I'll get a copyright. That's why I just recorded my drum kit on my phone and played it through an amp through these. So, woo! If you played this back through a stereo, through your phone, through an amp or a stereo, you'd hear this. It's not too bad. The whole thing's only 30 watts, and man, it packs a punch. Sealed cabinets, beautiful. Wow, that's compression at its finest. Everything seems to be working good. 3-way crossovers. We've got Pi, New Zealand built 10-inch speakers. We're going up to Panasonic 6-inch speakers for mids, sealed backs, so no pressures get to them. And then we're going up to Clarion 30 to 50 watt tweeters, car tweeters, and absolutely beautiful. Me playing the drums ain't that good though. But thank you all for watching, guys. We're going to get back into some generators soon, and some alternator bikes and stuff soon, guys. One more look at these. Let's see if I can get some light on. Here we go, guys. So, yeah. Pretty impressive, pretty clear. Wow, that is pretty impressive. Alright, guys. Not too bad, not too bad. Alright, guys. I will see you in a better video coming up. But that's the conclusion of these speakers. They took me ages to build. Ages. Oh man, I finally got there. Awesome, guys. See you in the next video. Cruiseman out.